Okay, today we're doing a quick drink recipe from the Disney Princess Cookbook. It's from Beauty and the Beast inspired and Mrs. Potts. It's raspberry mint iced tea. And there is a little picture there. So basically we're just going to make some water, take some raspberry tea bags and some mint tea bags, put it together. There is the option to add honey in it as well if you want that as a sweetener. I'm not going to do that. I'm actually trying to watch my sugar. I figure if I need to sweeten the tea, I will add some Splenda. But anyway, let's get started.
The first thing I need to do to make this tea is obviously warm my water. So I have my tea kettle here like it recommends, and it says to use a quart or 4 cups of water. So I have this in there and I'm going to warm it up till it's close to boiling, and then I'll add my tea bags. Okay, my water looks like it's doing pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my tea bags in. I'm supposed to add 4 of the raspberry, which I've got these here. They're hooked together. And then I've got the mint, 2 of those. And my tea kettle, the reason I got this, it comes with this like little basket so you can put tea in, which I thought was really kind of cool. I'll let that steep for about 4 minutes. I'll remove the tea bags and then I can put in some honey if I want. And then I'll let it cool.
All right, so I've got my iced tea in here chilled. And I will admit, I am a fan of raspberry iced tea. It's something that I do like to drink. Now the recipe says you can use other fruits besides raspberry if you want. So if you want to use like a peach tea or something, you can do that as well. I will say though, I'm not always a big fan of mint. Like I like mint candies, mint chocolate chip ice cream, but things in drinks like mint juleps and stuff, I'm usually not a huge fan of them. So I'm curious to see if I like this or not with the little bit of mint in it. So let's try it. Actually, that's pretty tasty. The mint is there, but it's subtle. I definitely get a little bit more of the raspberry. It's not very sweet because, again, I didn't put the honey in like it suggested. I think I am going to add a little bit of Splenda to it, though, just because I do like a little bit of sweeteners in my tea. Again, I'm just trying to watch my sugar a little bit, so that's why I didn't want to put in the honey. All right. Yeah, a little bit there with a little bit of Splenda in it, but okay. So yeah, that's pretty tasty. So I'm just going to do a quick ranking review because it's a very straightforward recipe. So first I'm going to rank the ingredients on a scale of 1 to 5, and these are a 1, which means everything is inexpensive and easy to find. Difficulty level on a scale of 1 to 5, also a 1, which means it's easy. You're just basically making tea, but instead of 1 tea bag, you're putting in a couple different flavors of a couple different options. And then would I make this again on a scale of 1 to 5? Yeah, I mean, I'll give this a 5. This is good. Like I said, I like raspberry iced tea. I have the tea bags I bought for this, so I'm definitely going to make it again. But yeah, especially in the summer, I think, sometimes you just can't beat a cold glass of iced tea.